Yn hoff rannu o'r sioe fi'n credu ar hyn o bryd yw'r ball pool.
But I'm very much in love with the beginning because, oh, I can't tell you. No, I don't want to spoil it.
It's too heavy. Anyway, it starts like this. J'aurais aimé commencer cette histoire à la façon de conte du film.
Wedi? Beth ti'n neud?
J'aurais aimé dire, il est une fois une petite plante qui habite une planète.
My name is Mathilde Lopez and I'm the director of Petula.
Hiya, fi di Daf James a fi sydd wedi addasu a chyfieithu Petula.
So Petula is a show about becoming an adult. It's about teenage years, and it's this moment in your life where you still have all this imagination and all this world from childhood. And it's a difficult moment, but it's also a magic moment where everything is possible and everything needs to be possible and nothing is actually happening yet.
Beth allai weid am Petula? Mae hi'n drama am fachgen sydd yn mynd i'r gofod i chwilio am ei gyfnither Petula. Ac mae'n mynd ar rantir hynod epic yma, really. Ond ar ben hynny, fi, mae fe'n drama am berson ifanc yn delio gyda trauma torpriod a syrieni a galar, a just y rwystredigaeth yna o oedolion yn methu cyfathrebu i fe be maen nhw'n feddwl, a mae ar goll yn y byd.
It's a very difficult play, and it's a very beautiful play that talks about difficult subject and in a quite complex way. But it's also very funny and very moving. As we worked on Petula, we realized this is not a play in English and then in Welsh. It's actually a play in both languages. And it was very important that it was in some English, Welsh and French and had the complexity of language at the core of it, because it's all about not understanding and not being understood, which is, teenage years in essence.
Dwi'n meddwl, o ran y ddrama, dwi ddim di gweithio rhywbeth tebyg i hon o'r blaen. Yn enwedig yr addasiad yma, gyda'r ffordd mae'r ieithoedd i gyd yn cyfuno i creu'r gwaith. Mae hi'n absurd, ond ar yr un pryd mae hefyd yn adlewyrchu mewn ffordd really realistic, dwi'n meddwl. Beth yw ei fod yn hollol confused pan bych chi'n ifanc. Actually, hollol confused pan bych chi'n hun, achos fi dal yn hollol confused o beth i bywyd. So, mae'n delio gyda'r themau yma mewn ffordd really diddorol.
Being back in the theatre has been a sort of revelation. It's as if I've re-understood why I started doing that in my life. I mean, I think I hadn't realised how much I had missed it.
Dwi ffili aros i lansio roced Petula mewn i'r gofod a dewch gyda ni ar y daith epic.